Hi kids! Today you will learn about using the degrees of adjectives in making comparisons, the positive, comparative, and superlative. In this lesson, you are expected to use the degrees of adjectives in making comparisons, positive, comparative, and superlative. What are adjectives? Adjectives describe a person, animal, thing, or place, or adjectives describe nouns or pronouns. Examples: healthy boy. Healthy describes boy, so healthy is adjective. Another, blue bag. Blue describes the bag. Blue is an example of adjective. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. An adjective in the positive degree is the basic word itself. It describes a person, animal, thing, or a place, or noun or pronoun. Examples: the tree is large. The word large describes the tree. Large is in the positive degree of adjective because it describes one object, the tree. Another, the pencil is long. Long is the adjective in positive degree. Roy walks fast. Fast is an adjective in the positive degree. An adjective in the comparative degree is used to compare two persons, objects, or places, nouns and pronouns. It is followed by then. If the adjective is one or two syllables only and ends in E, we add R. But if it ends in consonant, ER is added. More and less come before an adjective with three or more syllables. Examples: the first tree is larger than the second tree. Larger is in the comparative degree of adjective. We are comparing two trees. Ruler is longer than a pencil. Longer is in the comparative degree. It is comparing two objects, the ruler and the pencil. Gown A is more expensive than gown B. More is used in comparing these two gowns. More expensive. Expensive is three-syllable adjective, so we use more. The first can opener is less useful than the other. Less useful is in the comparative degree of adjectives. This adjective compares the first can opener and the second one. An adjective in the superlative degree is used to compare three or more nouns or pronouns. we add est to one or two syllable adjectives. Most or least is placed before the adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Examples: narrow tree is the largest among the trees. Largest is in the superlative degree. It is used to describe narrow tree and compare it with the other trees. Butterstick is the longest among the three. Longest. It is in the superlative degree. In this example, we are comparing three objects. He is the most intelligent pupil in the class. Most intelligent is in the superlative degree. Gown C is the most expensive among them. Most expensive is in the superlative degree. Again, if the adjective ends in E, add R or ST to form its comparative or superlative degree. If it ends in consonant, add ER or EST. If it ends in Y, change Y to I, then add ER or EST. Look at the table. Okay, we have here the 3 degrees of adjectives: the positive, comparative, and superlative. Then in the first 2 examples, the large and wise were added in comparative. Then in superlative, st were added. So we have large, larger, largest, wise, wiser, wisest. Then in tall, big, small, we added er into comparative and est in superlative. So tall, taller, tallest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. Then we have healthy and pretty. Both of these adjectives end in Y. So, what we did here, we changed Y to I, then add ER in the comparative degree. Then, in superlative, we change Y to I and add EST. So, we have healthy, healthier, healthiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. More or less and most or least is placed before adjective which has 3 or more syllables. However, some adjectives with 2 syllables take more, less, or most, or least. Study the table. Look at grateful and handsome. These 2 adjectives have 2 syllables, but more and most were added before them. Then we have popular, more popular, most popular, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, expensive, less expensive, least expensive, industrious, less industrious, least industrious. These are adjectives with 3 syllables. We can use more or less in comparative than most or least in superlative degree. Irregular adjectives. Some adjectives change in spelling when made comparative and superlative. Here is a table which shows them. We have bad or ill. It becomes worse in comparative and worst in superlative. Then we have far or distance. Farther, farthest. Far means extent, farther, farthest. Good, better, best. Late, later, latest. Many or much. More, most. Let's check your understanding. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Among these three animals, dog is the blank. A, big. B, bigger. C, biggest. Answer? Okay. C, biggest. Next. My mom is the blank mother in the world. A, smart. B, smarter. C, smartest. Answer, smartest. Cheetah is the blank among land animals. A, fast. B, faster. C, fastest. Answer, okay, C, fastest. This pair of earrings is blank. A, expensive. B, more expensive. C, most expensive. Answer, A, expensive. Here's the blank of the two children. A, studious. B, more studious. C, most studious. Answer, more studious. I hope you learned a lot from me today. Thank you. Bye-bye.